So today I will tell you how to create a super admin account, admin accounts. I will guide you step by step. So let's start this video. And first you need to go to login with your firewall Sophos Central account. Then after that you need to go click on product, which product you want to learn. So I will I am creating this video for endpoint encryption. So I am going to click on endpoint encryptions. After that, dashboard. So this dashboard is different. If you select another encryption, dashboard are different. So both are both are different products. So I am selecting dashboard. Okay. So after that dashboard, you can see there is no any endpoints connected to this antivirus. That's why there is 0, and reports is 0 because there is no any applications machines added. So if you go in the peoples, you can see there are users, add users, import your CV users. Like if you have users, you can export your from AD servers in the CV format, and you can upload that CV file here. So all your users will be display here. So that's a two types of method how to use add your existing workstation, desktop, laptop to Sophos endpoint protections. So you can add or manually, or you can import to your users. So after that, today this video we will create how to create a admin or super admin account. So if you click on add users, you can see you can add users, normal users you can add, or you can add super admin. You can create super admin account, as well as you can create admin account, you can create help desk account, you can create read only accounts. So these are different various details. So you can see if I click here, a super admin will have full access to everything, and admin rights only. Admin custom admin will full limited and role based access to creation feature set, as users will have only access to self device portal. Okay, no issue. So I am going to create I have already. So how can we check there is how many accounts and which power they are using? So we need to cancel. You can see on the below my accounts is display, and the accounts role is so super admin. If I click on this, then you can see there are many informations. This account having super admin power, name, exchange login, email address. This is multi-factor enabled. I can reset here of MFA. You can edit, you can delete users. So these I cannot delete because I am a super admin user. So because there is no any another account, that's why I cannot delete. If there is multiple account, then I can easy to delete these accounts. But I can edit, I can reset MFA. If you have problem how to reset this, you can watch this video. Definitely you will reach. So we will discuss about how to create MFA account. Sorry, users. So I am click on users. On under the users there are lots of role. If I want to create admin accounts, then I need to details first name, last name. So I have typed my email. Here is email ID is mandatory. So I am typing here. This is my email address and role. There is no need change, and this and this, and I have put it my email address cyber solutions 5050@gmail.com, and you can here there is two option, email setup link. You can also click here. If I click here email setup, here there is two options. Endpoint protection application will be automatically computer must have administrator to install. Okay, here is administrator required for the application installation. Okay, no issue. And Sophos Central Self Portal welcome setup. Okay, I have select both options, and click on save. So I have created another user which email id having this users having admin power. I don't change a super admin, but if you want to change, then you can select same users, and then we need to modify, edit. We can edit and we can create super admin. We can edit and we can create a save. Once you save, you can see under the user sections there are two users, both users having super admin account. So if you have created already accounts, then you can change. There is options available. Okay, so let me change again. So I want to change this account to only admin. Okay, you want to change these accounts. Now I have received that email, so I need to sign in my email account here to set up that account, so you can understand better way. Because yes, I am going to log in the account so that you can see. Cyber solutions @gmail.com. Let me hit okay. It is asking for passwords. I think I am doing right way. Oh, I think I have forgotten my password. Maybe, might be I forgotten my password, but oh, this is best option for me. Every time it is best option for me. I need to check on yes. I have Google Pixel mobiles, and sign in, not now. Okay, not now. Oh, you can see I have received two notifications. One from Google, so we can ignore it. Second from Sophos deployment. So this is useful links, and if I click here, so here are installer for this account. This is for installer. Okay, so if you click this exe file, Mac OS and Windows will be run, but we are trying to create a admin account, so we need to go click here another window and type here Sophos Central trial. Let me check Sophos Central account, and then I need to sign in with Sophos Central. Here I need to put my email address. Oh, single sign-on options, but I don't have single sign-on options, so I need to create here. But I think this is a new account, so I need to submit a new account because this email ID having first time, so I need to click on sign up. But once I click on sign up, then it will go again same way, so we need to reset password. That option we can try. Cyber solution 5050 @gmail.com. and I am going to reset my password. Okay, the new password is, because this is a new account, so the required field missing. Send verification code. Send verification code. That verification code I will receive on my email address, because welcome to Sophos Secretary. Okay, set up your password. Okay, you can see here Sophos welcome Avinash Chauhan, and Sophos Center admin account has been created. Your account NXGTrends to access your must be set up password. Okay, so I have received already, so I can ignore that one because that email has been landed delay. So set up my passwords. So website, go there and log in with your with email address. So I am click here. I have sent it code to my email ID again. Once I receive, then I need to create account. Oh, I receive email and my code is this. So I need to copy and paste, verify code. Okay, I have successfully verified code. Then I need to create passwords. Already I have created. The claim verification control has not been verified to incorrect. Why this is incorrect? It is correct. Oh, there is multiple windows open, that's why I am getting error. Next. Okay, click on next. The code is incorrect. Send again. Let's check. Send again. That's a nice way. 0 second and 1 minutes. This one. Oh, you can see the code is verified. After that I need to click here and motorcycle. I need to select motorcycle. I have selected traffic light and then click on next. Again select this. Okay, now here we need to create a password of your Sophos Central account. So I am going to create. Okay, and now click on next. You can see set up your login information. And then check your email address to provide code. Okay, again I will receive email from Sophos. Again this is this one. Do not lose this pin. Okay, I will never lose. I have created my. Okay, now I need to authenticate this with the authenticator app. So these are mandatory fields, friends. So you need to complete the task, then you can use your Sophos Central new account. So I am using Google Authenticator because I have already added this account to another one. So I am going to scan. Click on scan. I have scanned this QR code and Sophos, and OTP is 620662. and click on submit. Wait a moment. It is loading this window. So today we will learn. Wow, we receive this page, so it's nice way. And I can go on products and then endpoints. You can, if I go in pupils, and you can see there is two users, and this email ID having super admin powers and another email ID having admin power. So I am login with here is company detail, but how can I find this is license detail where I can find user details. sign out. Okay, no issue. So let me show you dashboard, peoples and users. Here I have login. You can see I am login with this accounts, and on the another window I have signed in with different accounts. So in this video I want to tell you guys how to create a super admin accounts, or you can follow these methods and you can create accounts uh, accounts for super admin, admin, help desk, read only. So you can follow these steps and you can create accounts. There is mandatory actions, MFA authentication, email, OTP protections, these and one time password process. So these are steps you need to fill, and you can create your admin, super admin, admin or help desk and or read only accounts. So in this video I have covered these topics. So I request please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.